And here comes the morning light, I can feel it now. Love will find a way. Woke up this morning with a little less pain. Sunshine tapping on my window pane. Yesterday tried to steal my song, but my heart kept singing all night long. I've seen gray skies, I've seen hard times, I've seen tears fall from these eyes, but every road that tried to break me down led me right back to holy ground. So let the music play, let the trouble fade, let the broken pieces dance today. I don't need to know every place we'll go, I just trust the light inside my soul. Love will find a way through the clouds and through the rain. When the night feels here to stay, love will find a way. Take my hand, we'll be okay. Let the morning light explain. Every heart that bends can break these chains. Love will find a way. Some folks carry burdens nobody sees, smiling through storms, still down on their knees. But there's a rhythm underneath the pain, like a songbird singing after rain. Mama said, child, don't you lose your fire. Keep your faith when the road gets tired. Daddy said, stand when the wind gets strong. Love don't quit when the night gets long.